we got quite a bit of space under the bed here, and that's really good for extra storage. Unfortunately, because the bed is so high to allow for this storage, when you're inside, the bed height really sucks. So I'm going to try and remedy this. Come on, follow me to the workshop. Right, we're in the workshop. Let's get on and make that step. By the way, I do make 3-string guitars. Okay, that's the second frame made up now, just like the first one. And now I'm just going to put, everything's clamped up now. There's centre strut in there, one bit down the bottom here, one bit going across this bottom, and then what's going to happen is that this is going to be fixed in here. There's a side strut down across there. The 2 boxes are complete now, 1, 2. I've tried it in the Campervan and everything fits okay. Now I'm just cutting the sides, and I'm going to glue those into place there. Do this one for tonight, trim up all the edges tomorrow, and then cut some more off for the other bits and pieces. Finished. What I'm going to do now is just give it 1 coat of linseed oil. So this is before and this is after. Well, as you can see, this was the small step that they had in there, and the only way you can get into the bed is basically to stand on this and hoik yourself up. And they've done it so small so that it doesn't obstruct the shower, and this door can open all the way up, pretty much all the way up. But it's awkward. So what I've tried to do is improve on the design and give themselves 2 steps. 1, 2, and I'm already up. It's perfect. And now this opening really hasn't been compromised, and the door still opens. Doesn't open as far as it did before, but it still opens with plenty of access into there. 1, 2, up you get. What could be easier than that?
I think I did a pretty good job, but you may disagree with me. Please comment below and tell me your thoughts on it. I'd love to hear them. If you like this video, then please consider subscribing. Doesn't cost anything, totally free. And then you won't miss any of the other episodes.